Hey everyone, so today I have a little mystery pin unboxing of the Tokidoki Unicornio collectible pins, and these are the ones that you can get inside, and you can get them in Hot Topic. So let's start opening them up and see what we got. Okay, so the first pin is Sunday. So let's see if it'll focus in on her. Probably not. But she looks adorable. We'll put her right here. They have big ass heads, so we'll put her right there. And then, let's see. Who is next? Oh, looks like Sunday again. Yep, I got another Sunday. So there's a dupe. And then another Sunday. Wow. That sucks. Watch them all be Sunday. I'm gonna be like annoyed. Oh, a different one. Aw, Hanako. This one's cute. This is the last one. And it's another freaking Sunday. Alright. So this was a bust. 4 Sundays and a Hanako. Cool. Alright. I'll see you guys. Bye.